Stalin famously observed that the vote itself does not matter. What matters is the person who counts the vote. In other words, people can show up to vote, but as long as that vote is being counted by somebody who the regime trusts, that's all that matters. Tonight, let's apply that lens to the official 71% victory in the reality of a political movement now operating from the United States. To use a football analogy, imagine playing on a match where the pitch is tilted, the NRAM is your opponent, they are the field, they are the player, they are the referee, they are the goalkeeper, and the linesman. And for you in the opposition, your hands are tied and they're telling you to kick the ball. Italian diplomat and philosopher Niccolo Machiavelli once argued in his book, The Prince, that the arena of power, the law is written by the victor. In the 2026 cycle, we observed this through judicial goalkeeping.